Hello everyone, this is Raghu Konamola. In case if you're watching this video, you're like me, know someone who would like to go out, talk to people, hang out, chit chat, share knowledge. Yeah, we are social animals, by the way. I'm sorry I call you social animal, but I really don't want to do that. Really don't want to call it. Yeah. So you must be wondering why am I, shooting a video lying on the bed? Yeah, there are two things. First thing is I'm being bit lazy these days, and the other thing is I really got no one to shoot videos. Yeah, because of this lockdown issue, so that's why I'm shooting it myself. Let me tell you, in the recent past, during this quarantine time, I got two friends. They have become very close to me. They are youtube.com and udemy.com. In the recently I have completed a course on Udemy, a course called Online MBA, which was my dream course, and I got the certification as well, and I have shared it on my LinkedIn. In case if you want to check it out, please go there and just check it out. Yeah. And yeah, this is the right time, and we got a chance to go back to our childhood days. I mean to say we got summer holidays, so this is the right time to increase your skill set. So go and deposit a new skill set, new ideas, new knowledge into your account called Brain. And I'm not just gaining or growing my beard, I'm also trying to gain some knowledge. Yeah. And the other thing that I'm doing is, yeah, I'm following a person these days. Okay, don't be scary. Yeah, so I am reading Vivekananda, and his story has got so many ups and downs, so many twists, so many surprises, so many shocking incidents, so many sad moments. It's like every other person's story, but being like Vivekananda, it's very very difficult. Even I can't be like him, because I can't live without a family, wife and family. So which is a very very difficult thing. And I'm doing something that you're doing every day. So what I'm doing, I'm working from home too. Yeah, I'm working from home, and I'm also training people on virtual platforms. And I never thought I'm going to explore this area, but this is really the unexplored area, and I'm glad, man. I'm really happy that I'm exploring it, and I'm learning so many things. And one important thing about work from home is that I got so much time, because we are saving this commute time. You don't have to travel to office all the way from your home to office, so that time we are saving. And today is Saturday, it's my weekly off, so that's why I got some time, so I'm making a video. And what else I'm doing? I'm watching movies on Amazon Prime. Yeah, I think most of you are checking out. So I recently watched a movie called Joker, and I'm sure in case if you have not watched it, just go and give it a try. You'll be amazed with Jacqueline Phoenix performance. And the other movie that I watched is Beautiful Mind, and it's a story of an American scientist called John Nash. I mean, this story is really inspiring, and it has got so many ups and downs. Yeah, absolutely. So these two are Oscar movies. And also, if you're watching something and that you want to let me know, yeah, just leave a comment below. I'm gonna watch those movies. I'm sure I'm gonna watch it. And yeah, I'm working out these days. Don't be shocked, man. I'm not going to gym. Even gyms are closed here. So I'm lifting water cans. If you're laughing, keep laughing. Yes, I'm lifting water cans to keep myself energized and healthy. And also, funny thing is, like, it's been almost 32 33 days, and I didn't wear a jeans. I mean, I'm wearing my shorts, I'm wearing my night pants. So this is a new experience. Look at my beard, right? It's been almost, I don't know how many days. I didn't even trim it. I'm not even taking care of it. And I think that's all I have. In case if you're watching this video, you can text me on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, whatever the platforms that we are connected. I would like to know you. I would like to share ideas. Maybe I would like to take ideas from you. Yeah, I would like to explore. And thank you so much for watching till the end. In case if you are doing something interesting, so even I would like to do something interesting, so do let me know. in whatever the way that's possible. Thank you so much for listening to me. Yeah, stay positive, stay home, stay healthy. Signing off, Raghu Konamal. And one thing that I have to tell you, please, I want your subscription. So please, your subscription gives me, more energy to make more videos. So which is what I'm waiting for. Do subscribe, do like. Thank you so much. Bye bye.